बाद आपने मुझे मौका दिया।
टीपी मोहम्मद फैजल.
Madam, I may be permitted to speak from here. Thank you very much, Madam. Today I am going to raise a very important issue which is pertaining to my constituency, Lakshadweep. And the subject which I am going to talk here is that need of a legislative assembly in Lakshadweep. I am also very happy today that Honorable Home Minister is present in the House while I am taking this issue. Madam Speaker, when I am elected to this House by the people of Lakshadweep, now I am standing with a lot of emotions with me. They send me with a lot of hopes, aspirations that their problems are redressed, or I can address, or I can resolve, only becoming an MP. But poor people don't realize that my powers are very limited. That's why I am taking the matter before you, Madam. I take your shelter, because we all believe in democracy here. Madam, Lakshadweep is an area where the ruler is an administrator, precisely an IAS officer. Government of India every year is allocating a huge fund for the crores of fund for the benefit of or developing Lakshadweep. In turn, what happens? Every year we can witness 50% of the fund is being surrendered back to the government. The only reason behind which I feel is that there is not a single participatory government happening. There we don't have democratically elected representatives, even MP, panchayat members don't have a voice or a sharing in the process of development. It's all bureaucratic setup happening this. Thank you, thank you. He is also from Andaman. He is.
ओके ओके हाँ हाँ अरे अरे उनको कंप्लीट तो करने दो बात सही है दोनों की बात समझ में आ रही है.
Sir, local representation is very less in the sense that there is no say for an elected representative, even an MP. I am here. Even I don't have even my proposal for any developmental schemes. It is under the mercy of the administrator sitting there whether to take it forward or not. Madam, not only that, sir, Madam, the situation happened in Lakshadweep for the last 30 days, Madam. Give me 2 minutes, I'll complete. For the last 30 days, entire Lakshadweep is going on strike because of an act of an administrator who has not given a democratic, what should I say, democratic value for representing an issue before him. And the person, the employees union, the president, who have represented the issue before him, he's been suspended. Against that, 30 days strike is going on. No one in the country knows that because there is no media presence in the island. No one knows it. That is the only courage the administrator is having because it is not known to the outer world. And Madam, I take the pride that Lakshadweep is the most peaceful area supported by the UNO. And zero crime is happening in Lakshadweep. And till now, every year, 365 days, I don't know why the Police Act is prevailing there. Still nay. Even democratically, no one can go and speak to the administrator. Yes. Or even elected representative had no value. On this issue, this suspension, I spoke to the administrator on the same day. I asked, and you are the appellate authority, you have to give opportunity for both the person, then you hear the both person, you have to take an action. He emotionally taken action, suspended him. Even I requested him, but he said that you have no right to talk. If he is or agreed with my action, you can go to the court. If such action is from the administrator to an elected representative, where I belong, where people have sent me with a lot of emotions, where should I shelter? I have to beg before you, Madam, that there is no other way before me. So my urge before the government is, I'm concluding, ma'am. Yes. I'm concluding. There is Daniel offices also in that. From 1995 onwards, Home Ministry have started sending DANIC officers to Lakshadweep. The basic reason, they don't know the language, the aspirations of the people because they go for 2 years, they enjoy the time, then come back. Before that, there was the local officers from the ethnic people, Lakshadweep. They were being promoted to that level, directors and other levels, where it's a speaking evidence, madam. It's a speaking evidence. You can see that funds are, I'm concluding, ma'am, I'm concluding.
Yes.
But so far, this is the situation happening there. My my urge with the government, because Honorable Home Minister is sitting and I've shared my view with him also, I would like Honorable Minister.
वो बहुत attentively आपकी बात सुन रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am. My final, I'm demanding, madam. My demand, in short, the final decision of any issues should be taken only after the approval of democratically elected representative or body or through them. Therefore, I urge before the government of India, through your honor, madam, to kindly constitute a committee from this house to evaluate the situation in Lakshadweep, to form a legislative setup and ensure one of their fundamental rights to choose people to govern them. I request through you, madam, if Honorable Home Minister is here, if you would just spare his views on this, I would be very happy, and people of Lakshadweep will be very happy because their voice is raised in this house, and Honorable Home Minister has replied to us. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you. Yes, सबके नाम आ जाएंगे.